Traders, Anthony here, looking at the FTSE, the UK100. So look, see where this is traded into. Back in here. Very big level of resistance. And we have this thin candle, strong rally. Grab a fib. I would be looking for an entry point down in around the 61.8786 fib zone. That's what I'm seeing here at the moment. Trading into a daily bearish order block back in here, so I would expect that to roll over and give us a bit of a retrace. If we go down to the 4H, just be a bit careful with this though. It kind of makes sense. This is overextended. I mean, if we grab this thing, anchored VWAP, we could pull that from here. See this midline here? Like, see how far out we are? 1, 2, 3 deviations out on the VWAP, because I'm always looking for the pullback back into the mean. We could grab this again and throw it in from here. Same thing. See how this is overextended? So this is the mean way back down in here. It's traded out. It's overextended. Fibonacci, grab it from low to high, and it makes sense. We get that. In fact, I love this thing actually. There it is. Look, see that? Look at that. That white line comes into play down here, but this is going to be, for me, an entry. That will be my buy zone back down in here. So we'll just set that up as a buy zone. You could counter trend trade it. Be careful. Yeah, I mean, that's my take on the FTSE. By the way, click the links below. Jump on board. We've got a Telegram group you can join. It's free. And with that, long position somewhere down in here. That could work, I think. I love these pretty pictures. All right, guys. Hope you have a great day. Make sure you comment. Love to hear from you. Safe trading. See you in the next one.